Hello and welcome to the tour of the new RequestIT. This functions similarly to the old RequestIT, however there are a few new functions that you will find useful when you are seeking technology help. One important thing to note is that RequestIT now works best in Google Chrome. If your desktop icon does not open automatically in Google Chrome, go to your search window and type in Software Center, and then scroll until you see RequestIT, which is at the bottom right here. You'll click on that and then click reinstall, and it should install it so it opens automatically in Chrome. On the RequestIT page, you'll notice a couple buttons and a few search fields. The one that you will probably be using most is a report a problem. This button replaces the Fix My drop-down menu that used to be there. There are 3 drop-down menus that are separated out. Within these menus, you have multiple options. Some of these options will go directly to the appropriate department, others will be routed to the local T-specs. So select the option that you want to get fixed, and it will bring you to this page. And this is exactly the same as the other one, it just looks a little bit different. You can request for yourself or someone else. You can change the site, so if you are a long-term sub, your site will likely say Central, so you would have to change it to your base school, the one that you're being a long-term sub at for Lake Braddock, and everything else is the same as before. Note of caution, when you are typing in the notes, please provide as much information as possible so our T-specs or whoever gets the RequestIT can help you as quickly as possible. You can add an image attachment like you did before. When you're done, click Submit. Save will not submit it. You have to click Submit. Something else you'll notice is a Chat with Service Desk Agent. As of the recording of this video, this is not turned on, but in the future you will be able to do a text chat message similar to what you might see on other websites to help solve technology issues. And these would be the Service Desk Agents, not your local T-specs. If you scroll down a bit, you will also see that you as a faculty member can request services. You might not have all the exact same ones that you're seeing right here, but some important ones might be under accounts and passwords. If you need a Blackboard Collaborator account, if your student teacher needs an FCPS 24/7 learning account or a Horizon account, if you want to have a site unblocked, it is right here. So you can do this. You don't need your T-spec or SBIT to do it for you. You are able to do it right here. The newest function with this is that there is no longer an A to Z index for quick reference guides. You can search the catalog by typing in whatever issue you might be having. So if you have questions about SIS, you can type SIS in. Something important to note, you cannot use quotation marks currently. Quotation marks will give you an error message. So I typed SIS in and you'll see that I have a few options right here. You'll also notice that I have some things that are not related to SIS. It is searching for anything within these files that have SIS in it, so some things might not be as applicable. So you can scroll down and find other options. So for example, right here is requesting a non-teacher account. But if you keep going down, you can see links to login, more information right here. And this takes you to a lot of additional resources such as teacher view documentation. There are no back buttons within the page, so to navigate back, you just click the back button right here. As you put requests in, you will find them right here under My Requests. If you have any questions about the new RequestIT, feel free to ask your SBITs or your T-specs.